my youth, the girl screenshot what you say and send it to me. Cause if you don't know where me having another phone about some of them artists, boy, yeah. Some of them girl here wearing a music.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
What go on, Unstoppable family? So people, as me always tell you know, every single week there's always a new drama in a dancehall, which is why I call it the dancehall soap opera, because there's always something going on every single week. Seeing this week is absolutely no different, because Foota Hyper exposed a certain dancehall artist who a move kinda shaky in the business. But you see, before we get to that, we are going to take a look on the Dr. Beenie man, who has been in the business for 40 years and thing. And the man has said, yo, you know, over the years, he has been constantly getting a serious fight. The Doctor is a great artist. We can't take that from him. But make we take a listen to what the Doctor has to say.
Who God bless, no man no curse. Yeah, always a win because we put God first.
When you don't know I need it's beginning, man. See it? I try to tell you, so we know the music for 40 years. And I've been a star for like 27 years. And right through from the game start, me I get fight. See, up to today, we still I get fight. I don't know the reason why, but them say the greatest man get the most fight. That's how it goes. You see? But you have to always know this. Who God bless, no man curse. Trust me. So, a whole heap of people want to see me under the dirt. A whole heap of people want to see me narrows. A whole heap of people want to see me get hurt. But that not gonna happen, because God there on my side and God there on our side. So, we have a brand new song I release named Who God Bless, No Man Curse. Tomorrow. And if you see this tomorrow, remember today. And if you see it the next year, remember say yesterday. We don't chat.
Alright, so you hear what the Dr. Beenie man say, right? Yo, who God bless, no man curse. You understand? A big song and a fax the man a talking it. We rate and love that one there from the Doctor. So just go and go check it out, because you don't know, say, yo, when that song the drop, it's gonna be a banger, as Beenie man always a drop some good bang. So before Foota Hyper expose a certain artist who some girls, you know, kinda send Foota some info upon him. Foota say, yo, yeah, me sick and tired of them artists here, where nah really, you know, live the right kind of lifestyle and act like say them a live the right kind of lifestyle.
Alright, here we go now. Artists, I want to learn this. Artists, stop what I do. Jamaican artists especially. You see, if you know say girl have screen record upon them phone, girl have screenshot upon them phone, girl take a record of everything. No woman no end no WhatsApp conversation. As long as she live, she have the conversation them open. See? So, watch this now. The artists them, we are chat on a business to girl in a DM and girl on WhatsApp, and them thing that the girl them a screen record and thing them and a screenshot and thing them. Remember you know, and a man like me, we don't eat crutches, where anything me talk, then can put it out. Cause me straight like arrow. Some of you know how to be eating crutches, you know how to look at bottom, and then you know discuss them thing there, pan the phone. See? You have to know what I do. But this morning, I stay so boom, and a girl sent me a screenshot with an artist. See? Listen, Lucky. You know the boy them send out the little video about how the iPad and video and so the girl I reason with the artist. And the girl I say, but yeah, Anaya know she ate them. So she send him the thing and say, boom. See the YouTube link there where the boy them a talk about them want the foot and do this. And rare. See? Him reply. Oh, Foota Hyper dopey bat. He's an artist we're supposed to be straight enough. I just the will of God make me not call him name right now or put up the screenshot you know. See? Cause him just feel like say, me no know that girl. I feel like say that girl out of my league. But them feel no say, me's a retired whore. See? So a whole heap of girl them they even know say, me mash up. So the girl start pre him different now. Because the girl I say, a man like him supposed to do like no fish. So even if you don't like Foota and the fish them say something like that, you're still supposed to say Foota. You know what I say? Oh, you feel say me a dopey bad. So you endorse that what they must say? Make me a wonder about you in an artist. You know, next time you say something about me, I go just unleash all hell upon you. Because a whole heap of things me have fear, you know. Me save them to my Google account, so I lift the phone and mash up and dash it. My Google account is there. Can always pull them up. Artists, when you don't know now live dirty life, stop have conversation with the girl them in a WhatsApp and DM. Cause the girl them I go screenshot and send it to people. Now warn you, you know. The artists I keep testing my faith, you know. People say, look, hey, listen to me. You see, people, enough people say me mix up and me this and me that. You see that phone here, man? You see something when that phone here? If me really mix up and wicked, I could have done enough of them career, you know. And me I hold it, you know. And them artists here keep styling me when them a chat to girl and figure say the girl them surface everybody. Same girl will like you like me. The same girl will like me like somebody else in the music. The girl them not loyal. So when they a chat and them a screen record and them a screenshot, we know what you say. We know what you say. And this a proof to me, say some man will say them straight, them not really straight, you know. Cause you can't hear but if boy you say them thing about a straight man and then you gotta try style the straight man. That mean you bend up, you know. That means say you bend up, you know. I don't want when we start rubbing out, you know. People are calling me as about be the bigger person, you know. Only thing me have bigger on my foot, you know that. Wanna love me alone, you know. Love me alone. Leave Foota Hype alone. Alright. Hear me I tell you no. Hear me I warn you know. The artist know himself, you know. Cause from him hear me I say this him know, you know. Say I hear me attack, you know. Cause him know, you know. But Foota Hype I dump you back, you know. Youth. Love me alone, you know. Yeah, go make me lose it and turn over the rubbish pan here when me are full of rubbish for you. Don't do it. Alright.
Well, there you have it, you know, viewers. Watch a man Foota Hype done expose him. Foota Hype done say what him have to say. You understand? Artists when you're in a business, stop send the girl them certain things cause the girl them a screenshot them. Watch out, man. People, you don't know. Chat to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you want to say. What are your thoughts on what Foota Hype say? Also, comment in the comment section and say something about Beenie. Big song. Oh, God bless. No man curse. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. You don't know the thing already. If you're new to the channel and you don't hit the subscribe button yet, consider subscribing right now. And make sure you turn on the notification bell. So once we drop a video, you get the alert. See? I done do this again. But before me left, you don't know me I go say, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. Cause after all, this is Unstoppable. I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.